Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take screenshots on REALME GT Neo 3 and any other series that comes with this, and I'll be showing you all possible ways you can attempt that. So the first one and the most simple one for taking a screenshot, we're going to cover the screenshots first, is to hold the power key and the volume down key at the same time. That way we'll make a quick screenshot like this. We'll be able to edit it after pressing on it. So you can crop it, draw on it, do whatever you want with it basically. So let's save that screenshot for now and move to the other two options. We'll need to open the settings for that, so let's locate our settings. From here scroll all the way down and find System Settings, then move to Gestures and Motions, and here there should be two options. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now make sure that both of them are enabled if you want to try them. Now let's try them actually, and the first one is to swipe down our 3 fingers on the phone and we just made normal screenshot. The second option is to hold our 3 fingers onto the screen, and that's a bit different because we can already crop a portion of the screen that we want to take a screenshot for. We can also draw the the circle, and we can also simply draw whatever pattern we want to take a screenshot for, and that's very handy. Now let's move to the screen recording options, which I'm also going to show you how to do that. And the first and actually only option for screen recording other than clicking on the icon is to scroll down our toolbar, and from here we should find the screen recording. It's this icon right here. If you don't have it, you can click on this pen button and add the icon from more functions. So now let's click on screen recording, continue, agree and continue. While using this app, allow, there's a lot of permissions we need to give, and right here we should see this small icon. We can click on the shutter to begin recording. We can move to the gear icon in order to change to settings, record system sounds and record microphone sounds. Now let's try recording without any of the sounds. Our recording begins. We can see the time on how long we're recording. We can click on the icon in order to reveal more options like the pause, because you can either pause this video or just stop recording and save it to gallery by pressing on this button. Now let's click on this and we can see how our screen was recorded. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.